Got it hooked up to the tank over here with the hose. I'm going to flip through the settings so you can see everything. Here we go. 130 psi. Oop, I don't want to set it. I'm going to go through it. 120 is when it kicks on. 145 is the high limit. It's modulation. I'm going to switch that to on off so it pumps faster. This modulation just revs up slowly. It's at 187 because we'd just been running it a little bit ago. 21,699 hours, 10,100 load hours, and we're good to go. This tank is approximately 500 gallons. Kind of see the whole thing here. It's very quiet actually compared to a lot of units like this. These aren't quite tight, so we got water spraying out a little bit. But watch the modulation here, or the on-off rather, because I turned it off. Modulation works fine, but it takes a little longer to get up the pressure. It ramps up slowly rather than just going wide open on the intake. Crack it and let the air out a little bit. Drops down to 120, it'll come back on mine. 125, I guess. So there's that. I'm going to switch back to modulation so that you can see what it does on that. So there's the modulation for you. That should be about everything I know to show. Shut it off at any point. Now you can hear the extent of the air leaking out, so